So in this video, we are required to factor completely this particular expression. Now, whenever a question like this is required, of course, I make use of the concept of prime factorization, right? And it will always give this desired result. So minus 28p square q cube r can be written as minus 1 times 28 times p squared times q cube times r. So this is a factor. So we have to decompose 28. So using its prime factorization. So we have 28 divided by 2. That will give us 14 divided by 2. That will give us 7. 7 divided by 7. That is what? 1. So at the end of it, we can conclude that minus 28p square q cube r is the same thing as minus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 times 7. The idea behind 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2, right? Times 7 times p square times q cube times r, right? So that is that about that. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share. Don't leave, please. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.